What's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a V-letter with amazing wings in Adobe Illustrator. So we are again going to use this rectangular grid tool to make our V-letter. So we can use Adobe Illustrator to make or add your own grid, but we want to not waste time, so that's why we are going to use this tool to make it faster. So I can show you how we are going to make this V letter along with the wings that we are going to add to this logo template. So this is not going to be a logo template here, but if you want to make it a complete template, you have to add the text, and then it's going to convert to a complete logo template. So this is going to be a logo design document for now. So now we are going to click rotate. As you can see, 45 is going to be okay. So now let's select this shape builder tool, select our color, and we are going to make our V letter. So here we are going to ungroup, put the V here. Let me select everything that we have on the artboard. So as you can see, this is all the extra lines, so we are going to delete that, and we are going to delete this one as well. So we are going to use this shape builder tool, round it, and now what we are going to do, we are going to resize this. So now we are going to use the pen tool to make this kind of wings here. So we are going to make one point here. So now we are going to press shift to make a straight line. So now let's try to make something like this shape, and let me click here. I think we have to, so we're going to click one here. By pressing this shift again, we're going to make a straight line. So be careful when you're going to design this kind of wings. You have to be careful about the, here as you can see, we have to move these points, and also we're going to move this one as well, so we can make it a little bit thinner to look good for this. So now let me move this as well. So here we are going to make a copy. So using direct selection tool, we are going to copy this part. Now Control C, Control V. So now we are going to put it just right here. Let me Control plus to zoom in so you can see. So also we are going to make some more copies. As you can see, for the last copy we also made, so we're going to use this pen tool to move this point. Let me move it here. So we're going to send this to back of this shape, and also let's click one here and move it, and let me select this one as well. And also we are going to change it. Now we have no lines here, as you can see. So the technique that we are going to convert this to a shape that we can add a line here as well. So this technique will help you to complete add the line that we have not here. So we are going to use this as our making or adding lines. So we are going to use this pathfinder. So as you can see, so here is going to add all the lines. So we are going to select this, send this to back, and also we're going to select this, send to back. We are going to select this, go to transform, not transform, go to this arrange, send to back, and also for this one we are going to send this to back. So as you can see, let's check here with this. We are going to again use this selection tool so we can fix this line here. Make sure you're going to selecting something that's going to, so as you can see here for the wings, I think if you want to make it larger for V, it's not going to look good. So as you can see here, you can add your lines. In this video we are not going to do that, so we are only going to select this part, and let's group this first. First we are going to group all these parts, and we are going to use this eyedropper tool. So we are going to use this color as our wings, and for this one we are going to use this, or maybe if you want to use this one you can use it, no problem with that. So let's try to group everything. So I'm going to group here, and we are also going to increase the stroke size. So for this color we are going to use this, or this one we are going to use as a color. So now what we are going to do, if you see this, that this wing says not looks good, as you can see here, you can increase the size. So for this kind of V, I think this is going to be okay for me. So I'm going to alt and drag, and I'm going to right click, go to transform, click on reflect. So now let me move it here and select both of them, align it, now group them. So let me select this one and align it. And also for the V we are going to add a stroke, and also we are going to use this a circle that we have here. So I'm going to put it just here, and we are going to fill it with this color. So let me move this to back of this V. So as you can see here, everything is looks good. Now this is really a cool logo that we have here, so you can use it for a different purpose for different businesses. So as you can see, I just show you that how you're going to make a complete V letter with the wings that we are going to design it inside Adobe Illustrator. So here also you should be careful about the lines, that when you're going to add a stroke to your lines, it should be all similar. So now I'm going to select everything, group it, put it on the center of the artboard. So this is how we can use pen tool to make wings for our V. So this wings could be changed. You can add, I can design better than me. So I just wanted to show you how this is going to work. So if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.